Put out some safety cones. Alright, so what we're doing is going to insert a storm basin filter. Deteriorated from corrosion, salt, and that situation was taken care of, and now we're just got to the replacements have come in. I'm going to go ahead and install it. Seems pretty simple, but I haven't done it before. Gives you a view. Looks like an upside down hat. So this just gets placed inside like this. And there's a metal frame on the outside that is adjustable for the lip on the basin here. And then I'll be leaving these, per instructions, leaving the straps out. It's kind of a reminder to maintain it, and because this will collect stuff that's not supposed to be down in the storm drain, as far as debris, gravel, any pollutants, anything that's not water. So that's a good sign. It's too big for the basin itself. It's a collapsible ring. Hi there. Am I in your way?
No, thank you for
okay.
doing that. What are you doing?
This is actually a storm drain filter.
Okay.
So it catches, only thing that's supposed to go down there is storm water.
Okay.
So if there's gravel or debris that will clog the catch basin, it gives you a chance to remove it and throw it in the dumpster. We had a flood here a couple months ago because the basin got plugged, because this type of device that was in there actually corroded. It was a metal frame. This is a metal frame in here too, but because of the salt in the winter and stuff, so it actually corroded and fell in, and it actually blocked the out pipe. So anytime it rained, this parking lot would flood. So we're gonna get it back in there, and we're gonna maintain it.
You have to go down there?
No, I do not. This actually sits right here on the lip.
So are you with the city of Lombard, or?
No, I'm actually a maintenance man with CBRE. We're the service provider for Dooley.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So we mostly take care inside, but we do some of the stuff outside too.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Well,
Yeah.
do you hire college student interns?
No. In fact, the only hiring they're doing there is building engineers. Yeah.
Okay. My son's in college for construction engineering.
Oh yeah?
So that's...
Yeah, that's a big field. Yeah, I'm a building engineer myself. I've been here since this place opened up. It was much smaller in 2005. You know, it's had 4 phases. So.
Well, seeing what my son's doing makes me appreciate all the work that goes into keeping everything running.
Yeah, you would never imagine how much stuff there is behind the scenes to keep a facility going. Yeah.
This isn't that old, but things are starting to wear out.
Yeah, it's 20 years old.
Oh, 20? Wow.
Yeah, we opened up in 2005. They put the first shovel in the ground in 2004.
So when do we need a new roof?
Now's about the time you should be thinking about it. We get about 20 years on an EPDM rubber roof, and that's what we got up there. Yeah, some of it's newer because this section here that we see here was built in 2019, but that's only maybe 20% of the whole building. Yeah.
Where do you get to be certified as a building engineer?
You know, all my stuff was on the job training, but that was back in 2001. Now they really want you to have a stationary engineer license, It's so weird how you brought that up, because I'm actually got my recommendation. It's only $75, and I got to go take the test. And you can take the test as many times as you want. I'm hopefully, because I got 32 years experience, I already really know this stuff, so it shouldn't be too difficult for me to pass and get through. Yeah.
All right. I'm Sean Adams. I'm one of the doctors here. So.
Oh, hi, Sean. Nice to meet you.
Okay. Well, I'm afraid I'm sure we'll be calling you back for other stuff.
Oh yeah, all the time. Nice to meet you, Doc. That was a neat introduction. All right, one done and one to go. I'm just cleaning the lip so it sits down as far as it can go, because the metal frame does sit on this lip. They had a couple choices of what type of filters to get, so I got one that's called well, they call it a pig storm drain filter insert, but this model has some overflow to it. So if it gets full all the way to the top with gravel, there is an overflow for the water to go if it ever gets completely impacted. But it's our mission to make sure that it doesn't. So you basically there's a metal frame here, and you can squinch it in to make it smaller than the manhole size. And then you expand it back out. So it sits on the lip and doesn't fall through. The directions suggest to leave these out, the handles, so to remind you to maintain it. This is what it looks like from a top view. So it should catch anything that's not water. Gravel, dirt, litter. That's it.